Yeah, so this is my forge. It's pretty awesome. I basically just took my fire pit in my backyard, and I thought of the idea of taking this long piece of steel that I had in the backyard and try to forge something out of it. And I don't quite know what I'm going to forge yet. I think either a dagger or an axe head, maybe even a spearhead, but I don't quite know. Let me just show you the steel that I got in here. Where's my glove? Oh, it's right here. Get this. So I grabbed the steel with this glove. Yeah, got some red hot steel here. Trying to fold it in half like a samurai sword. I don't quite know it yet. Okay. So yeah, that's my forge.